make $10,000 a month by doing UGC or affiliate programs. Now that's clickbait. I have no idea how to actually do that. But what I want to do is make a video about how to actually make UGC style videos. I have no idea, so let's find out what's going on. The reason I'm doing this is because I had picked up this. I don't know what this is. Can you see that? Yeah. It's this nanohydroxy stuff from my doctor, who was like, hey, you need to change your toothpaste. I had a major surgery with a GI surgery, and it really messed my gut flora. And one of the ways that my doc wanted me to heal was to use a different toothpaste because it was messing with my chemistry. So I went down to my co-op, I picked this one up, and I've been using this one for quite a while. And then I went down there and then there was no more. So then I picked up this one right here, which is the, oh yeah, this is backwards, upside down. Risewell. Yeah. However, focusing happens. There we go. Oh, look at that. Okay, great. And I'm like, sweet, I'm going to go ahead and do affiliate for them. I'm going to sign up, find the affiliate program. I'm going to go ahead and figure out they have a UGC program, and I'm going to do that. So here I go. I go on the internet looking. UGC program, no. Affiliate program, no. I find this Risewell Pro thing, but I am not a dentist, okay? I just brush my teeth, right? So I'm like, well, crap. I can't actually show people how to make this $10,000 a month because I'm not making it. I have no idea how. All right. Like, I think my bank account might be negative like $1 million or whatever it is. So can't say that I can prove it. But what I do want to show is how hard it is to do this. I am a long-time professional photographer, over 15 years of professional experience from commercial work to advertising work. If you know the differences, you understand that I'm an old school UGC creator, right? Except for it was not UGC. It was just like what my job was. So I know how to do this stuff. Turns out nobody wants that, okay? I've done the same kind of work for Patagonia. I've done the same kind of work for a few food brands, and they don't like my stuff because it's too professional and it's unbelievable because I'm like, ooh, it looks good. So let's find out if someone that has no idea how to make a UGC video can put one together and explain and, you know, make something appealing, especially if the brand doesn't have a program. I don't have to worry that I'm losing out on anything. All right? Now, this stuff here, according to what they say on their box here, this stuff is supposed to be apparently clean ingredients, right? Right here. It's supposed to have clean your body, and it's also supposed to clean your teeth. It's an apparent tooth whitener. And on the back, looking at the ingredient list, right, they talk all the stuff here. And at the bottom, you look at the ingredients, and what you discover is that it's mostly made out of water, sorbitol, glycerin, hydrated silica, and hydroxyapatite, calcium carbonate. Anyway, so this thing has a bunch of different ingredients in it. Whether it's good for me, I don't know, but the last toothpaste I looked into, the ingredient list was harder to read. Now, I'm not promoting this company because they're not paying me. Thanks for as well. But, you know, I just wanted to be able to use their product to be able to do my thing here. The thing that my doctor said about this is that, yeah, sure, it may help me with my teeth. It'll help me with maybe making sure that I have fewer cavities. But my primary concern was not those things. Look at these teeth, okay? My parents paid a whole lot of money to some orthodontists to give me this smile. I wasn't born this way. I didn't wake up like this, all right? This was some middle-class privilege going on, all right? The main issue was that my GI surgery had put me in a bad place. It affects every piece of your health. And when the primary thing that you're using for your oral and your gut health and your microbiome, you know, this is your digestive system. It begins in your mouth. And this is something you use 3 times a day, right? You brush your teeth in the morning, you brush your teeth after lunch, and you brush your teeth, well, sometimes after dinner, but also before bedtime. If it's made out of poison, it's like drinking alcohol, right? You're trying to do the right thing, but you're doing it with poison. Don't. So use something that's more natural based. Now, I have tried a bunch of other natural toothpaste. Some were better than others, and some did more destruction because the philosophy they were based on was something that hadn't been updated in a while. So, you know, you don't know what's going on. But this one here has helped me balance. That way I have less of an issue with my GI tract going out of whack because of things I'm putting in my body. The very first thing in the morning that my biome was dealing with is not poison. I drink water, right? I do my meditation, I brush my teeth, and then I get to have a nice situation going on. Is it helping me whiten my teeth? I don't know. I mean, maybe. I can't tell because I also stopped drinking coffee at a similar time for the same reason. I've been drinking matcha now. Apparently, also great for the ADHD. The way the L-theanine in matcha works with people with ADHD, the way it helps you with your sleep cycles, and the way that it comes through to you helps you. I mean, like, if you have ADHD and you love coffee, consider matcha during the week and then have yourself a coffee on the weekends and tell me if your anxiety is not dropped down. The amount of caffeine and the way it's delivered is too much. Okay, back to this stuff here. All right, let's go over how to actually do this. Everything has got to be horizontal. It's got to be believable. So watch as I'm doing this. I'm going to turn this thing around and I'm going to shoot everything else the way it's supposed to be shot so it's believable, okay? So I'm going to do exactly the same thing right here, but all this video is going to be vertical, all right? So that it's real and legitimate, and I need to get in the shower. I might need to wear a shower shirt because that's how I always shower, is with a shirt. It tastes like toothpaste. Works like toothpaste. Whether this stuff is good for you or not, I don't know. I'm just a dude. Just trusting this company that this hydroxy apatite and all those other ingredients in there aren't gonna screw up my belly, because the only thing I'm really worried about is that it cleans my teeth, right? No stinky breath. I don't know if it works for that. The benefit is that it's supposed to whiten my teeth. Down with that. But the main thing is that it doesn't mess with my guts, because when you're a dude of a certain age, how your gut behaves is your entire life. So, I guess this stuff is okay. If you're someone with a gut health issue, this might be a solution for you. But if you are a TikToker, Boca or anything else might work for you too. Whether this is a trend or if it's legit, not the guy to tell you. But now you know how to make it UGC. I don't think that's the thing that's being done anymore. People see UGC videos and they think that's an ad.